Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Chaffles for Life, episode 31, Pickle Chaffles. Well, I had a nutty idea of just making a regular sandwich just with pickles. So what I did with this particular recipe, I took a cup of cheese, and it could be any cheese of your choice. Today we're using 4-cheese pizza, and that's the pickles that I was using. So what I ended up doing was I ended up taking some frozen onions, frozen bell pepper, and the red pepper. Got the 1 tablespoon of almond flour, 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder, a little bit of salt. And that was pretty much it. And then I got everything all mixed up with the egg. And then first Chaffle, I should have actually sprayed the dash, but I didn't. It was kind of sticking out a little bit because I put a little bit of too much mixture on the mini dash. And that's why I was using the paper plate at the bottom. And then over here, you can see me just plating it with a couple of pickles. And I could have put a nice hamburger on there or some deli meat or something like that. But I just had it plain the way it was. And it came out fantastic. And this is a good snack to have late in the afternoon when you're hungry or, in the early evening, And very minimal on the calorie. And it could be any cheese of your choice, by the way. And here you have the 1 cup of cheese. There's some 4 cheese that I was using. Then I cracked 1 egg into a small bowl because I didn't want to get any shells. And then I had the almond flour with the baking powder and a pinch of salt. And then I was mixing it up a little bit with my finger, and that's I made sure they got all the lumps out of there. And it was a little bit, but it wasn't that bad. And that was the Walmart brand, the Great Value brand. And it's a very fine almond flour. Then I just dumped everything all in after I got it all mixed up. And you can watch me over here in the video that I'm talking over the timeline. And then, of course, they have that little bit of freezer burn on the onion and pepper. The amount is all what you want to put in. And if you could put onion powder and garlic powder to swap everything out that way, seasoning like Italian seasoning and that sort of thing. Paprika, cayenne powder, any of that stuff, the occasion seasonings would be great with this. And then I used a 1 tablespoon of heavy cream. And I was a little bit shaky there. I was trying to hold it steady. And I just put it right over the top. And then I got my fork out, and I was mixing it up really well with the fork. And then from that point on, I just, got going with the mini dash, and make sure that you handle it with care. You don't want to burn yourself. And then at the end, when I popped them out, I just took a couple of pickles, and then I had my sandwich that way. And these came out really good. Definitely plan on making this again. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So from this point on, just music. Have a great day, guys. Thank you for watching.